In this video we are going to see how can we remove the door panel completely. Okay, so in order to remove it, then we need to remove two screws, one here, so I remove this and remove the second screw, and then some clips that's holding two clips on this side and two clips on this side. I'm going to show you one clip and the same thing will apply. Okay, to remove the clip, simply press it with a screwdriver. It goes in and that's it. With another screwdriver you can just remove it, as simple as that. So same thing for the three others. Okay, now in order to remove the panel, after removing all the screws and stuff, I have to remove from the bottom. There are some snapping clips that are holding it. Okay, so there are two, one more here, three, and we are almost done. This piece has to be removed before I can continue doing it. So let me show you how you can remove this. Okay, so with the screwdriver just press up, as you can see. Okay, and then hold it with your finger from this side so it doesn't go in. Now from the bottom, unfortunately I don't have any assistant here. Fahim is gone. Okay, so now I remove this. Snap. Now I think the panel should be easily, so I can replace it. This cable has the clip is on the other side, so I have to push it with a screwdriver. This was the clip that I just pressed. Okay, so the panel is removed. Here is the new panel. I'm going to install it. Let me install this panel. The first thing, I have to connect the connector. Okay, until you hear the sound. Now, because I removed it up, now I have to put it from the top back. So I have to make sure that it goes to the screen. Okay, so the top has fit. It's very easy, it's not that complicated. At the bottom I need to just push it back. Yeah, I can hear a sound. Snap, another snap, and the third one. Done. So now I have to put screws, or let me put this. So this piece, the same way. First this side, I put it. This extra, I don't know the technical term, notch, extra piece, whatever, it goes there. This one goes there. Okay, so I make sure it goes there. It is there. That's it. It's set. Now I have to put the screws. Okay, so the screws, how I removed the big screws, one from here. So this I have to push it up. I have to push it up So now insert it there, and as soon as you push it, it's just holding. As simple as that. You don't need any other trick.